Danny Garcia with Rhino Design Build. Welcome to my website. This is my 11th year in business. We are a locally owned general contractor here in San Antonio. We are a one-stop shop for all your general construction needs. What makes Rhino Design Build stand apart from our competition is our personal attention. I run and manage all the jobs myself, so I'm available 24/7. We started doing renovations for families that had to move back in together based on what was happening with the recession. Like I said, I manage all the jobs myself. What sets Rhino Design Build apart from our competition is our personal attention. You deal directly with myself. I'm the owner. My name is Danny Garcia. I'm available via phone, text, or email, and you don't get pawned off to a project manager or a foreman. You deal directly with myself. The part of my business that I'm most compassionate about is meeting with clients for the first time, taking a piece of paper and transforming it into what you see behind you. In 2015, I was honored with the San Antonio Business Journal's 40 Under 40 Award. So before you hire any general contractor, I would definitely make sure that they're licensed with their local city government. Rhino Design Build is here for your next construction project. So if you're a potential client looking for a general contractor, give me a call. Call Rhino Design Build at 210-413-8789 for your next construction project.